Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Acura RDX key fob. First, gather your materials. A new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery, and a small flathead screwdriver. A soft cloth can also be helpful to protect your key fob from scratches during the process. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open up your key fob. Look for the small release button on the side or back of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot where the emergency key was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it down firmly to ensure it's seated correctly. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Finally, take your newly refreshed key fob to your Acura RDX and test all its functions like locking, unlocking, and remote start. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.